Jesus heals a centurion's servant. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals a centurion's servant, found in Matthew chapter 8 verses 5 to 13 and Luke chapter 7 verses 1 to 10. This story shows us how great faith in Jesus' authority brings healing and miracles. In the town of Capernaum, a Roman centurion had a servant who was very sick and about to die. The centurion deeply cared for his servant and wanted him to be healed. The centurion had heard about Jesus' power and sent some Jewish elders to ask Jesus for help. They told Jesus, "This man deserves your help. He loves our nation and built our synagogue." Jesus agreed to go and was on his way to the centurion's house. But before Jesus arrived, the centurion sent friends with a message, saying, "Lord, I do not deserve to have you come under my roof. Just say the word, and my servant will be healed." The centurion understood authority. He said, "I am a man under authority, and I command soldiers. If I tell one to go, he goes, and if I tell one to come, he comes. I know that if you say the word, my servant will be healed." Jesus was amazed and said, "I have not found such great faith in all of Israel." Jesus told the centurion's friends, "Go. Let it be done just as you believed it would." At that very moment, the servant was healed. The story of Jesus heals a centurion's servant teaches us important lessons about faith and trust in Jesus' authority. First lesson: faith in Jesus' authority brings healing. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. The centurion believed Jesus didn't need to be physically present. His word alone was powerful enough to heal. We, too, must have faith in Jesus' power and authority. Second lesson: Jesus has ultimate authority over everything. Philippians chapter 2 verse 9. God exalted him to the highest place and gave him the name that is above every name. The centurion understood authority. He trusted that Jesus had power over sickness. Jesus' authority is above all things, including our struggles and fears. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, faith in Jesus' authority brings healing. Second, Jesus has ultimate authority over everything. Third, God rewards faith, no matter where it comes from. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Do I trust in Jesus' power even when I don't see immediate results? 2. How can I strengthen my faith like the centurion? 3. Do I fully believe in Jesus' authority over my life? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals a centurion's servant teaches us. First lesson: faith in Jesus' authority brings healing. Second lesson: Jesus has ultimate authority over everything. No matter what challenges we face, faith in Jesus can bring healing and transformation. Just as in Jesus heals a centurion's servant, we too can experience his power through faith and trust in his word. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.